Hi, I'm Kim Kiyosaki, the Queen of Cash Flow, and welcome back to Keys to the Cash Flow game. If you're watching this video because you're playing the Cash Flow board game with friends and associates, fantastic. And if you're watching this video because you're playing the Cash Flow game in real life, good for you. So today what we're going to talk about is the difference between doodads, which are on the game, assets, and liabilities. So one of the spaces on the Cash Flow board game is called doodads. What's a doodad? Well, how many of you love your vanilla lattes with a little spice of peppermint? Or how many of you love, especially you women, love to shoe shop? I got a girlfriend, she is a maniac when it comes to shoe shopping. For me, I love a good massage. All of these things are doodads because you have to pay for them every single day. They're not necessarily something we need, like rent or gas for our car, but they're definitely something we love and we want. So sometimes in the cash flow game, you will land on doodad. And a doodad might be that your water heater leaks. Or it might be that you're going to have a gourmet dinner with your friends. Again, it's not necessarily something you need, but it's definitely something we want. Now, sometimes in the game, you're going to get a doodad that actually can turn from a doodad into a liability. For example, let's say your daughter's getting married. That could be a very big expense. So how does a doodad become a liability? Let's talk about that. So this is one of the things that makes the game very unique. This is actually the scorecard from the cash flow game. This is basically how Robert and I went from the rat race to being financially free. Everything we did is right here on this scorecard. This is the process we went through. So in the scorecard, you have, of course, income, you have expenses. Then you also have assets and liabilities. This is called your balance sheet. Income and expenses is called an income statement. Asset and liabilities is your balance sheet. So what is an asset and what is a liability? And how can a doodad turn into a liability? Well, if you've read Rich Dad, Poor Dad, you know Rich Dad's definition of an asset is something that puts money in your pocket whether you work or not. So a rental property that positively cash flows is an asset. A stock that pays a dividend, gives you cash flow, is an asset. A liability, according to Rich Dad, is something that takes money out of your pocket. So the house you live in has taxes, insurance. The car you drive, you have to pay gas and upkeep. All of those things are liabilities. So in the example of the cash flow game, we talked about paying for your daughter's wedding. So all of a sudden, that goes from being a doodad to all of a sudden, it could be much more expensive. So part of your liabilities, and you'll notice here on the game card, credit cards, retail debt. So as you're preparing for your daughter's wedding, all of a sudden you're renting out venues, you're paying for dresses, you're paying for catering. All of those things probably are going to end up on a credit card. And instead of just paying it for that day, which is a doodad, something that you just pay that day, that moment, the liability is something that you pay over time. So sometimes your doodad, depending on how extravagant you want to be, can actually become a liability and every month take money out of your pocket. So let's take a moment and talk about a term some of us may be familiar with. Whenever you go to apply for a loan, a car loan, a home loan, the banker wants to know your net worth. Well, we often say net worth is worth less. Why? Because they are counting liabilities, jewelry, clothes, your house that is not an asset but a liability. They're counting these things as assets, but they're actually liabilities. So oftentimes when somebody says, oh, my net worth is $1 million, they're really counting on all of these liabilities that every month are taking money out of their pocket, not putting money into your pocket. So you really need to know the difference between an asset and a liability because bankers and most people are calling liabilities your car that you owe money on, your home that you owe money on, your credit cards that you owe money on. They're calling them assets, but they're really liabilities. And that's where so many people get in financial trouble. So the most important takeaway today is understand what a doodad is and pay attention to all these doodads you're paying every day, because as I said, they may not be necessary, but we do like them, and really understand the difference between an asset and a liability, because you don't want to be calling your liabilities assets, because that will lead you to financial hell. So I trust this video got you thinking a little more carefully about the doodads you spend your money on and what really is an asset and a liability in your life. Thank you so much for watching Keys to the Cash Flow Game. So if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and stay tuned to more videos from Keys to the Cash Flow board game.